Hello students and welcome back to our next video, that is longitudes and local time. Students, for each degree of longitude, the local time differs by 4 minutes. As shown in the image, the longitude lying to the east of any longitude will be ahead by 4 minutes in local time because the sun rises in the east, and the longitude lying to the west of any longitude will be behind by 4 minutes in local time. For example, if the difference between two longitudes is of 10 degrees, then the difference in their local times will be 10 degree multiplied by 4 minutes is equal to 40 minutes. So students, by multiplying the difference between longitudes in degrees by 4 minutes, the difference between the local times of any two longitudes can be calculated. Students, now let's give it a try. Example 1. Mashhad, a town in Iran, is located on the 60-degree east longitude. When it is 12 noon at Greenwich, calculate the local time of Mashhad town. Students, as shown in the image, Greenwich is at 0-degree longitude. So students, as we move towards the east of the prime meridian, the local time increases by 4 minutes for every longitude. So the difference between the longitudes of Greenwich and Mashhad is equal to 60 degree. Difference in local time is equal to 60 multiplied by 4 minutes is equal to 240 minutes. Now 240 divided by 60 minutes is equal to 4 hours. This implies that the time at Mashhad would be 4 o'clock in the evening. Now second example. Manaus city in Brazil is located on 60-degree west longitude. What would be the local time at Manaus when it is 12 noon at Greenwich? Students, as we move towards the west of the prime meridian, the local time decreases by 4 minutes for every longitude. So, the difference between the longitudes of Greenwich and Manaus is 60 degree. Now, the total difference in the local time is 60 multiplied by 4 is equal to 240 minutes. Now 240 divided by 60 minutes is equal to 4 hours. So as Manaus is located to the west of Greenwich, the local time of Manaus is behind of Greenwich time by 4 hours, and therefore when it is noon at Greenwich, it would be 4 AM at Manaus. Students, now let's make friends with maps. But before that, kindly keep your textbook page number 4, figure 1.3 open to answer the questions. Students, consider both the things, that is longitudes as well as the clock given below to find the answers. Question number 1. Between which longitudes does the region experience daytime? Answer. The region shown between 90 degree west and 90 degree east longitude experience daytime. Question number 2. Which longitudes experience noon and the midnight respectively? Answer. 0 degree longitude experience noon and 180 degree longitude experience midnight. Question 3. Edward from New Orleans is on which longitude? Answer. Edward from New Orleans is on 90 degree west longitudes. Question 4. What is the time at Akara city? Answer. It is 12 noon at Akara city. Question number 5. At the same time, what is Sharat from Patna and Yakaito from Japan doing? What time is it in these cases? Answer. At the same time, Sharat is returning home from school and Yakaito from Japan is preparing for the night sleep. At the same time, it is 5:30 p.m. at Patna and 9:20 p.m. at Japan. Question 6. Select any one longitude. Calculate the local time of the longitudes lying 1 degree to the west and east of this longitude. Answer: the selected longitude is 60 degree east. First, the local time of the selected longitude is 4 p.m. Second, the local time of the longitude lying 1 degree to the west of the selected longitude will be 59 degree east and the time will be 3 hours 56 minutes. Whereas the local time of the longitude lying 1 degree to the east of the selected longitude will be 61 degree east and the time will be 4 hours 4 minutes. Students, this is so because for each degree of longitude, the local time differs by 4 minutes. Longitude lying to the east of any longitude will be ahead by 4 minutes in local time, whereas longitude lying to the west of any longitude will be behind by 4 minutes in local time. Now, think about it. What is the maximum number of local times that can be there in the world? Students, there can be 360 local times in the world. Second question, how many longitudes pass the sun in 1 hour? Students, 15 longitudes pass the sun in 1 hour. Do you know, when the sun is directly overhead at a place on the earth, it is noon over there. While telling the time between midnight and noon, we put AM in front of the time. This means anti-meridian. When the longitudes cross the noon time, then the time is past midday or afternoon. The time in between noon and midnight is denoted by PM, means post-meridian. Students, hope all of you are now clear with local time and longitude. And in the next video, we are going to see standard time and Indian standard time.